Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on November 26. Lincoln Civil War Thanksgiving observed 1863. On November 26, 1863, Americans celebrated the National Thanksgiving Day announced by President Abraham Lincoln. This happened during the difficult years of the Civil War, when the country was deeply divided. Lincoln encouraged people to pause and give thanks. Even in times of pain and struggle, families and churches gathered to pray for peace and unity. His message brought hope to millions. This celebration helped shape the modern Thanksgiving holiday that Americans enjoy today. Howard Carter enters King Tut's tomb 1922. On November 26, 1922, archaeologist Howard Carter broke through the sealed entrance of King Tutankhamun's tomb. When he looked inside, he saw an incredible scene filled with gold and glittering treasures. These artifacts had been untouched for thousands of years. The discovery amazed the world and instantly became a historic moment in archaeology. It sparked a huge global interest in ancient Egypt. Carter's find remains one of the greatest archaeological discoveries ever made. The shelling of Manila sparks were tensions 1939. On November 26, 1939, explosions were reported near the Soviet village of Manila. The Soviet Union accused Finland of firing the shots, claiming it was an act of aggression. Finland strongly denied the accusation and said the attack was staged by the Soviets themselves. This event gave the USSR a reason to invade Finland shortly after. It triggered the start of the Winter War, a brutal conflict in freezing temperatures. Many historians still view the incident as a likely false flag operation. US delivers the whole note to Japan 1941. On November 26, 1941, the United States handed Japan the document known as the whole note. It called for Japan to pull its troops out of China and French Indochina. Japanese leaders saw the note as too demanding and impossible to accept. Tensions between the two nations increased sharply. Only 11 days later, Japan launched its attack on Pearl Harbor. The whole note is remembered as one of the final steps leading to America's entry into World War II. Casablanca film premieres in New York 1942. On November 26, 1942, the iconic film Casablanca premiered in New York City. Starring Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman, it told a powerful love story set during World War II. The film was released at a moment when the world was deeply affected by the war. Its emotional themes quickly connected with audiences. Over time, Casablanca became one of the most beloved movies ever made. Many of its lines are still quoted today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.